In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Google Cloud Storage, often referred to simply as GCS, which is Google's robust and highly flexible object storage service. GCS is an ideal choice for storing virtually any kind of file, ranging from simple text documents to complex media files, and it's essential for developers, companies, and anyone managing large sets of data. At its core, Google Cloud Storage is designed around the concept of buckets. Think of buckets as containers where you organize and store your files, referred to as objects, within your Google Cloud Platform project. These objects are immutable, meaning once they're uploaded, they remain unchanged unless deleted and re-uploaded. What makes GCS particularly versatile is that these files are accessible globally via HTTP URLs. So, for example, a file in your bucket could be accessed with a link structured like this: https://storage.googleapis.com yourbucket.file.png. Choosing the right storage class is a crucial part of using GCS wisely. This system can significantly impact your costs, as each class is optimized for different access patterns. The standard class is tailored for frequently accessed data, whereas the nearline class is more suited for data you access less often. Coldline is best for files you rarely need, and the archive class is the most economical option for long-term storage of files that you almost never access. Importantly, despite these diverse use cases, each storage class offers the same robust performance. You just get a cost advantage when opting for colder or less frequently accessed storage tiers. Now, let's dive into how you can start using Google Cloud Storage step by step. Begin by heading over to your Google Cloud Platform console and navigating to the Storage section. Once there, you'll find an option called Browser. Select your project from the list and click on Create Bucket to kick things off. Give your bucket a unique name, something easy to remember and identify later. Then, you'll need to choose a location for your bucket, which could be regional or multi-regional based on your requirements. It's also important to select a storage class that aligns with your access needs, as we discussed earlier. Next, you'll configure the access permissions and encryption settings for your bucket. This is a key step in ensuring your files are secure. After configuring these settings to your preference, go ahead and create the bucket. Once your bucket has been created, you can start uploading your files. This can be done easily by either clicking Upload or by dragging and dropping files directly from your computer. You also have the option to create subfolders within your bucket to better organize your data. If you need to download, preview, or share any of your stored objects, all these actions can be done directly from the console. To make an object publicly accessible, you can adjust the access permissions. Specifically, you need to add the entity called All Users and grant it Storage Object Viewer access. Once this is set up, anyone with the generated public URL, such as https://storage.googleapis.com, yourbucket, yourfile.xt, will be able to view your file. By understanding these core concepts and steps, you'll be well equipped to harness the power of Google Cloud Storage to manage your digital content efficiently.